Hey beauties! I know I'm wearing my hair dye Villanova shirt today, ironically. So I recently got my hair lightened by a professional. My hairdresser is awesome. And I don't know if I told you guys in the last video, I meant to say this. I kind of recently discovered that I kind of have a widow's peak. And I don't think I ever really realized it. I just thought that my hairline was kind of uneven. Like I never really put it together because my hair is so fine. And I really do have a widow's peak. So in true Jen fashion, I decided to just get my scissors and just cut the hair really short. Because like my famous saying of how could that possibly go wrong, you know, like how could that possibly go wrong? And now they're growing back and I don't know. Have you ever done that? Like, because it doesn't look terrible, but my hairline does look uneven, and because my hair is so fine, you don't even notice it's a widow's peak. It just looks like 9 hairs just like sticking out in an odd place on my forehead. Like that's how I feel. That's how it looks to me. Anyways, okay, we're focusing. Okay, I just feel like I need to get that off the chest and share that with someone. Okay, so today we're not going to dye my hair because my hairdresser did it and it looks gorgeous. However, because I dye my hair so much, she probably could have gotten me pretty close to platinum if I hadn't dyed it so much myself. Well, definitely if I hadn't dyed it so much myself. So what we're going to do today, because she was saying my job between now and my next appointment, if I'm trying to go blonde, stay blonde, which I'm going to try so hard to not put something else on top of it, she told me to use purple shampoo. So I thought we would jumpstart this process by just putting the purple shampoo on my hair without any water and just kind of letting it do what it does. And then rinse it out. And maybe something like that will tone it like more than just regular washing, right? If I just put it on. And you know me, like if my hair turns purple, I don't care. I'm totally fine with that. So I am using the Joico Purple Balance Shampoo. It eliminates brassy yellow tones on blonde and gray hair. So I figured I would put it in and maybe leave it in for like a half hour. And then just like wash it out like it's normal. And I do also have the conditioner. Now I don't always use conditioner because my hair is so fine, but all the dyeing I do does tend to damage it. Since I'm getting older, I have to be honest, I do think that my hair is damaging more easily than it used to in my younger days. And I feel like purple shampoos can be a teensy bit rough. So if you have any recommendations for purple shampoos that you've used that you didn't think were damaging or drying, totally let me know, because I've tried Shimmer Lights, the Clairol one, I thought that was drying. The Matrix one, which smells like you want to eat it, don't, but it smells really good. That was drying. So I'm just kind of curious as to if there's one that's like not $3 million, but that's actually decent and not super drying when you use it, because I feel like when you have blonde hair, when I have blonde hair, it has a tendency to go brassy, so I really like, oh, I just put a whole bunch in there. So I really like using it every day, or every shampoo, which would be every other day for me. So if you have one that you think, you know, is not damaging, let me know, because I would like to get in on that. So, all right, let's do this. And you'll notice my root area, because I haven't dyed it, is actually quite, you know, ashy and the color that I want. Whereas the parts of my hair that have been dyed, like God knows how many times, are not. So we're just going to straight up put this on. So I just put it right into my little John here. Oh my gosh, she is the cutest thing. All right. I do want to wash this off my ears and face. Got a little carried away. So Okay, so I'm going to leave this on for however long I say. I'm going to try to do a half hour. I might end up doing longer because I have a baby and it's a little tricky to like time exactly when you're going to do stuff. Okay, you have to see her. There's my babe! There's my babe! Good girl, you're so cute. Alright, so I'm going to leave this in and I will see you in a moment. Okay, so I left it in for half an hour and this is my result. I do think it is a little bit ashier, but I still have a lot of gold because it's been dyed so many times. But I'll definitely put the before and after side by side, same exact lighting. So you'll have to let me know what you think. And I was trying to do some research because some of those purple shampoos can be super expensive. And I was trying to see if there were any like affordable, decent looking ones. And they're all, the ones that I found that I haven't tried were around like $12 or more. And I just think that's a lot for shampoo. And it did say that the majority of them said that they, in essence, are all kind of drying because that's the nature of the purple shampoo. So it said like, you know, it might be better to get like a sulfate-free one or something like that, but that in general, they're all pretty drying and that's just kind of how it goes. So, yeah. So that's it. So let me know what you think. I did use the conditioner and I definitely think that helped. So it doesn't feel like straw or anything. Like it still feels good. So, I mean, that's a good thing. But I just think in essence, like, I guess they all are kind of drying. So if I went sulfate-free, I would get something a little less drying. But I like the results and I'm going to use it and I'll have to let you know if over time it makes a substantial difference. But yeah, so that was 30 minutes that I left it in and then I rinsed it out, put the conditioner in, left that in for like 5 minutes and then rinsed that out. So these are the results. So maybe at some point I'll get a bunch of different, they're just so expensive, but I would love to get a bunch of different ones and like do different pieces and just like see how they work. So let me know if you'd be interested in that and maybe I will do that. So thank you guys so much for watching.